Put his hands on your jacket. Vicky. You know. There must be more. Point it towards.
Yeah. David.
Right. Hold on to that. That's it. And hold your arm right the way out. If I know you want it. I know. Is it? Yes. Did you? Oh. Boy. Getting somewhere with him. About his hunting. You know, it's because they can't move their eyes in their socket. So that's their only way of looking around, really. There we go. He's actually just starting to get his complete set of tail feathers. I don't know if anyone's noticed, there's a tail feather just starting to come down to the middle of the tail. Because he mumbled the fluff, isn't it? Are you hungry? That's just a little hungry noise. Is it? That's not aggression, that's just, oh, have you got food? So they can't really fight too hard.
So do you have to keep them under a heat lamp or something?
They've been weaned off the heat now, okay? So these guys are just nestling up together with their siblings. Right. That's what's used to keep them warm. But of course they do go home separately at night, so we've all got little cuddly toys for them to nestle up with.
Right.
So this one's my one. I think this one's going to be called Rodney.
How old is he?
He is roughly about 6 weeks old. Okay. Those two over there, they are coming up to 10 weeks. And that's the same with the hoar cows. Okay. So all the size differences you can see are generally due to species rather than age. Hey, sweetheart. Bill. Hello, Poppet. Hello.
He's got a really unimpressed face.
He's like, you can see the development stages between these.
Don't touch me.
Sweetheart. Bill.
Wow.
Knows your voice, I suppose.
Because they're already associated with people.
Yeah.
I will say, if anyone does get pooped on, I do apologise. I will try and find some tissues.
You don't like being touched, that one.
He's well as that one.
He was alright after all that.
They do give
See?
a bit of an angry glare, the hawk owls, don't they?
See?
Stare you down.
Look at him. He's so not impressed.
He looks like he's enjoying it.
They're babies. It'll be chicken mouse. Chicken mouse. Right? So we tried it on our own. Add it now.
Is it less than for us?
Yeah.
So,
There we go. Just hold your arm right the way out. You can bring it in a minute. Okay.
sorry, he's got heavy.
Alright. He's got hold of it if you can help him. It's not you, it was him keeping hold of it. Like, nah, I got you now. Good boy. Good boy. So he is a fish eagle. He does naturally hunt fish, so we do give him a whole varied diet of various fish. But being a fish eagle, he wears shorts. The feathers only come down to the ankles, okay, don't come right the way down to the feet.
It's quite heavy, I might have to give him back to you.
Sorry, do you want me to do that for a bit?
Yeah.
There we go. So on true eagles, the feathers come right the way down to the feet, so true eagles wear them. So with fish eagles, they're hunting along the surface of the water a lot, so we don't want the trousers wet. Wear shorts instead, works a whole lot better. Wait, so for your reading. Good job we didn't let them off, because you didn't know what to do with a child. These guys can lift, I'm going to take them off now, okay? Now if you've had your hand, they can lift twice their own body weight in fish. So, That was a frightening day. That was a frightening day. No, he probably wouldn't have cared. He'd probably like, hi. Say hello. Thank you.
My left arm's not very strong.
I was like, struggling there. My right one's a lot stronger.
Together, we're going to fly for you a really lovely variety of birds of prey. Now, before I introduce the first, I'm just going to ask you guys to please stay seated throughout the display. I'm going to introduce to you Rifle. And Rifle's one of our many Harris hawks. Now, the Harris hawks are a South American species. They don't migrate, so you're not going to find them anywhere else. But they're actually a relative newbie in terms of falconry in this country. Don't take it personally. Go on, Rifle. Luke's even got the goods. He's got a tasty piece of chicken here. When you're ready, in a minute then, you take your time. They're a relative newbie in terms of falconry in this country. They've only really been using. If he does decide to do this flight though, guys, it will be really beautiful. He's going to stoop straight out of that tree, right across the tops of your heads, down, hopefully, into Luke's glove. Here he goes. Oh, bless him. Introduce you to Emily. And Emily and I are going to fly for you one of the biggest birds we currently fly. Has anybody been up to the Eagle Lawn yet? A couple of you have. We have got a fantastic collection of eagles up there. If you haven't had a look, do take a trip up there and have a look at them all before you leave. This one here, though, is the largest of them all. She goes by the name of Emma, and Emma is the white-tailed sea eagle. Look at that. Beautiful. Give her a round of applause, guys. That was a fantastic entrance. Was ready. Keep yourself seated, guys. Cameras at the ready. Here she comes. Almost. Wait for it. I'm going to squeak in a minute by the sounds of it, guys. Please ignore that. Right then. This way, pop it. If she makes it to this glove, she's definitely taking some of you off those back benches. Here she comes. Beautiful. We're going to introduce you guys to one of our many falcons. Now, everybody here loves flying the falcons. They are high octane, full of speed, really good fun to fly. Travels at such a speed. Wow. Round of applause, guys. They fail to handle built-up areas. Now that was a stunning start, a barrel roll off the top. She tucked her wings in and attacked that lure. Luke's waiting for a little bit more height again, and he's going to bring her in nice and close. This could be the perfect opportunity. Keep your eye on her. Look at that. She didn't... Back pointed wings, relatively short tail, compact body, nice and close. Here she comes again, powering up. Look at that massive round of applause. Look at that massive round of applause. One peregrine falcon, here we go again. Wow. Of course, guys, you don't see that every day. She's doing a fantastic job. Luke's timing is amazing, I've got to say. Nice and close there. Nose into their skulls. Fantastic falcon. Huge potential. And she's already learning tricks of the trade. Falcons are very intelligent. They're right up on the top. Luke, they get... Got to try and present that lure. In she comes again for another attack. Ooh, she won the game. Well done, Coast. Massive round of applause. And breathe, Luke. Relax. She did a fantastic job, guys. When we're flying the flies, you're going to notice one of our other birds coming to join us.
the very beautiful Marge. She is our European white stork. Give her a nice warm welcome. She introduced herself beautifully. Now Marge, just like the pelicans, offers us the chance to show you guys something very unusual. Carly's going all out with the points here.